Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to easily read comments on threads. Stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to engage with conversations and stay updated with what others are saying. Let's get started. First, make sure to open Threads app on your device, and you can find it on both App Store and Google Play Store. And once you're inside the app, scroll through your feed or you can search for an account, then find a post where you would like to read the comments. Now, here's a key thing. When you click on this bubble icon, here you can see now you can only comment on that post, but you cannot read the comments. To view the comments on a post, you need to tap on the time shown right above the post. Now, this is the timestamp which tells you when the post was made. Now that you have tapped on the timestamp, you will see all the comments and replies to that post. You can scroll through them and read the entire conversation. It is easy once you know where to look. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.